welcome back to Creative Digital Designs, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a coloring book in a few minutes, and you can upload this to Amazon KDP. You can sell this on your Etsy shop, or you can sell this on your website as a digital coloring book for adults or for a physical copy. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it. So you're going to want to, if you don't know about this website, you're going to go to creativefabrica.com, and if you don't already have an account, you're going to want to make an account. I will put my link in the description below. And as you can see, you can pay $47 for 12 months, which is only $3.99 a month. I believe that they have some elements that you can use for free as well. So you can go ahead and search on here. It's way better than paying for each element, and they have a ton of different fonts, images, graphics. So anyways, we're going to get into it. We're going to type in adult coloring pages, and this website gives you permission to use it for commercial use, which means that you can use it on Amazon. And as you can see, there's different type of themes for these adult coloring pages. You have swear words, you have nature, you have moon, we have cute winter, stress relief right here. So you're going to pick one that you like. There's a floral one here as well. They tell you how many pages, 100 pages, and it tells you what it comes with. So you just scroll through until you find one. You're going to go ahead and select that particular one that you want. And then as you can see here, it is for commercial and full print on demand uses is allowed. So which means that you can use this for Amazon as well. As you can see, KDP interior, over 600 people have already added this to their favorites. So I'm going to show you how you can make this more customized, since people have already downloaded this, to make yours different. And then you can see all of the details. It says that it's already ready to upload to KDP. So if you did want to upload it as is, you could, and you just make your own custom book cover design. And the dimensions 8x5x11, no bleed. And so all you're going to do is going to go ahead and hit download. Because I have an account, it's going to download it for free for me. Everything that I want to download on here, I can get for free. So we're going to go ahead and open the file. And we're going to get the PDF, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in my downloads. Then we're going to go over to KDP. I mean, not KDP, Canva.com. So what you can do is you can either put that you want to do an 8x5x11, or you can just upload the file that you just downloaded. We're going to go ahead and select that, and we're going to wait for that to load. And once it has done loading, we're just going to go ahead and select it. This particular one had 50 pages. So in order for them not to be bleeding through, if you're going to be using some type of coloring utensils, we don't want to make them where they're both on. There's one on the front and the back. So we want to make sure we put some blank pages in between each one so that there's no back. So we're just going to add page. You're going to add a page in between each one. And do it like that. I won't do every single one right here, but like you're just going to make sure you have a page in between each one. So now that we have these beautiful coloring pages for adults on here, in order to make them a little bit more custom, what you can do is you can add words. So based off of your target audience or a theme that you want to create, of course, we can say this is more like a relaxing adult coloring book. But if you're targeting moms, you could put maybe funny sayings for moms, or relatable statements for moms, or quotes on here. whether it's for animal lovers, people who love dogs. You can put quotes related to that, teachers, nurses, all those big niches where people buy a lot of gifts for these people, or they need time to relax and unwind because their job is stressful. Doctors, anything like that, therapists, that if you wanted to create whatever theme you wanted to do, you can go ahead and add those texts there. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit add text box. And let's say, for example, we're going to say this theme is going to be for teachers. So we're going to say teachers are the real heroes. But of course, because of how this is, you want to make the words legible. So we're going to do this. We're going to change this font, and we're going to go over here to effects, and we can click outline, and we can do it like this. Make the outline, make it the color white, and they already did it white, and we can put it in the middle like that. We can bring in the line spacing, and we can have that there in the middle like this, or we can go ahead and go over here to the font, and we're going to go to effects, and we're going to click hollow. We can go to the background here, don't click hollow, go to the background, and we can make it white as well, and we can make this a little bit transparent, decrease the spread, fix that, and center in the middle. And of course you could change this font if you don't like it. And then I'm going to show you one other way that you can put text on here. So let me show you that right now. So the last thing that you can do, if you want it to be where you want them to be able to color in the text, we're going to go ahead and hit effects again. You're going to hit splice, and you're going to change this inside color from gray to white. As you can see now, they can color on the inside, and you have the outside color is black, and you can make it bigger. You can change it like this to make it go more in the picture. And we want to make sure that, of course, all the letters fit on each row. So teachers are the real heroes. And you can go ahead and edit this for each one. You can get, if you don't know what to put on here, you can get some ideas from ChatGPT or look on Etsy, maybe see some t-shirt sayings that are selling on t-shirt designs. Of course, ChatGPT would be the easiest way because they can give you a list and you can just copy these all in here. And yeah, so that's how you will be able to make a coloring book using Creative Fabrica and Canva. And it's very simple because you already have the coloring pages done. All you have to do is add your text if you desire and add the blank pages in between. And then you're going to go ahead and hit share, download. You're going to go ahead and select PDF print because if you're going to be printing this, and you're going to go ahead and put this best professional printing, you're going to go ahead and hit download the whole thing. And this will be your interior for Amazon KDP. If you're doing digital, you can still download the same way, because if someone is going to be downloading this and printing this out themselves, you want it to be the best quality of document as possible. And so if you like this video, if you would like me to create different topics within this, or let me know below what videos you want me to create, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. I will be dropping videos every single week on creating different designs using Canva that you can use on Etsy, Amazon, your website, or social media. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.